Are we going to expect some rap din production number ba?
Oo naman, kaya nga nandiyan si Abra.
Ah.
Expect something different. And, paulit-ulit na sinasabi, expect a 100 per hour, 100% best dito sa concert.
Talaga ba, ibig mo sabihin, binigay mo yung 100% best mo?
Hmm?
May say ka ba sa mga lahat ng mga...
Of course! From the lineup of songs, nung nagsimula pa lang kami dito, talagang tinutukan talaga namin. So that's why we got a team together with Direk Alco, Chino, and also Star Events to para talaga pa yung usapan namin to. And this is not something na parang, sige, gawin lang natin. This is something that came from my heart. At puspusan talaga kumbaga ang creative process namin dito.
Gaano katagal yung naging rehearsal, yung process?
Ang tagal, actually matagal na to eh. This was on the works even before Kim's concert.
Ah, okay.
Yes. And even before the story of us pa.
Last year.
Oh, actually last year pa to. Last year pa namin ito pinag-uusapan. At last year pa namin kino-conceptualize yung mangyayari.
So how do you feel na finally, eto na, this is it?
Parang ano to eh, parang sabi ko eh, parang baby ko na tong A Date with Sian, and this July 9 makikita nila kung paano unti-unti nag-unfold yung mga ideas namin.
Di ba marami kang piniplay na musical instruments? Lahat ba di showcase mo doon?
Hindi naman, I don't think lahat, pero expect me to be playing something.
Bago?
Tingnan natin.
Or are you going to do also yung musical number na yung kasama mo may musical instrument din?
Ano pa?
Magpe-play din ng musical instrument?
Sino po?
Yung ka-jamming mo?
Jamming. Yes. Expect, meron pong ganun.
And our audience are going to expect more surprise guests or what?
I think yung
Performers?
I think yung lineup ng kanta ko is lineup ng guest ko is sila na. We're still waiting on the confirmation ng Philharmonic, but they said they're gonna be there.
And then, kung tatanungin ka, sino yung gusto mo ka-date? Since
Gusto?
yan yung date with Sian.
Sinong gusto kong ka-date? Gusto ko silang lahat maka-date ngayong July 9. Sabi ko nga, kung wala kayong ka-date ngayong July 9, ngayong Sabado, dito kayo pumunta. Ako yung magiging ka-date ninyo.
Thank you.
Thank you.